Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, June 26th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on gold, first of all, we got an impulsive up, we got corrective down, and now we're in another impulsive up. This is very obviously either an A or a 1. The corrective down is very obviously either a B or a 2. Luckily, we trade A's and ones exactly the same. We trade B's and twos exactly the same. Now we're either in a wave three or a wave C, which really we trade exactly the same unless it proves to be a wave C. If it's a wave three, then it potentially will bounce from Fibonacci levels, but it will just keep on making impulsive moves to the upside like that. If it's a wave C, then it will likely go to any one of these Fibonacci levels, maybe the 61 or the 50% or the 78. I have no idea. I just know that it would potentially go to one of these Fibonacci levels, make like a double top, make it engulfing down, make a break of structure. If I see this picture right here, that's the picture of a wave C, not the picture of a wave 3. If it's a wave C and I see this right here, then I definitely will take it as a short because what happens at the end of an ABC correction is normally you go down and take out the previous lows. So I'm observing the market to see whether we're looking at a wave C or whether we're looking at a wave 3. If it proves to be a wave C, then I definitely will take it as a sorting opportunity. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord group, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.